We are getting so excited here at System Improvements because the TapRooT Global Summit will be here before we know it. And we are very, very busy right now planning it. And it will be June 14th through 18th here in Knoxville, Tennessee.
9 months.
I know, we're so excited to give Southern hospitality to all of our clients coming in from around the world. So today, our focus is on our certified instructors. And Michelle Wishon is here, and she is in charge of all of our certified instructors. And so she is going to tell us a little bit about that track and what people need to know. So Michelle, who needs to come to the certified instructor track?
Any certified instructor who did not attend the summit this year in 2020 is required to come in 2021.
Okay, so what happens if this is their recertification when they come? So what happens if, say, somebody lets their certification expire? Because that's pretty important.
It's very important, and unfortunately it does happen. Things come up. If you are unable to come, your certification will expire for the year. Just make sure you come in 2022 and we'll get you recertified to teach then.
Yeah, but between then and those periods of time, they won't be able to teach.
Absolutely. Between the 2021 summit and the 2022 summit, you will not be authorized to teach.
So in the certified instructor track, I know that there are some required sessions that they need to attend, and then they can modify what else is in the track in case that's something that they don't want to see, if they want to go to something in another track.
Sure.
We kind of try to develop this track to be something that helps you become a better instructor, and to also make sure you get these required elements in that will teach you what we've updated in the course and things like that. So what are the two required sessions?
The two required sessions is the users share best practices and the recertification session. And anything else you can modify to your needs.
And that's great. I love it because a lot of you all have different focuses in your company. And so you can look at all those other tracks and determine maybe you want to know more about some reliability stuff, or how to improve your investigations, or stopping human error, all kinds of things that you can choose from. And so just as long as you go to those two, you've gone to a 2-day pre-summit.
Yes.
You have to do that.
Like all 5 days.
Yes. So you pick you a 2-day pre-summit, and we have like 6 to choose from, I think, 6 to 8. It'll be on our website at taproot.com/summit. And then you go to, make sure you select that track, and then those 2 sessions are your required ones. And in your recertification track, you always have like wonderful things for people.
We do, but I can't tell you what they are, but you do get a bag of goodies. So I personally select them every year, and I already know what I'm getting you next year, so you've got to come to get your bag.
And there'll probably be some updates that they will want to do. Especially, boy, if you didn't come last year to learn about the causal factor worksheets and stuff like that, you will definitely want to, I mean, you have to come, but you'll want to come so you can kind of learn about that update. It's been a game changer for a lot of our instructors to make teaching causal factors a much easier part of that 2-day course.
It really does.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Yes. And actually, mentioning that, we have been having some webinars on that.
We have. We've had several.
The causal factor worksheets, and I think we have another one coming up. You can look on our website at our webinars and see that, so you can learn how to go ahead and start teaching that, because it's fantastic stuff. So, Michelle, what's your favorite part of the summit?
The reception. No, I think.
Because she sings.
Because I sing. I'm your entertainer.
And we're doing karaoke this year.
Yes. Put me on the spot.
But we love seeing our clients.
I was going to say, seeing our clients, and we're just really like one big family. We get to know you, and we just so enjoy that week.
I know. We hope that this COVID stuff's kind of gone away, and we know things can be different, but we hope we can get back to,
we will.
Hugging our clients, shaking their hands, and being that one big happy family that we always are each year. It's like old home week to us, and we meet new friends. Yes. We can see our old friends, and you get to meet a lot of new friends as well. Yeah. So June 14th to 18th.
9 months.
Knoxville, Tennessee.
Be here.
And registration is going on now. You can do early bird registration. It's till January 1st, I believe. Yep. And there's a good prize for that. You can go ahead and register, and you can customize your Summit track after you've registered if you decide you want to change something.
Yeah.
Well, Michelle, thank you so much.
You.
You do a lot of hard work for your certified instructors.
Yeah.
If you have any questions about the certified instructor track, please contact Michelle you can do Michelle at taproot.com.
You sure can.
Super easy. Or info@taproot.com, and they will put you in touch with Michelle, and she can let you know what your requirements are, if you're required to be here this year. Very important. So stay in touch with this girl right here.
Thank you.
Thanks, Michelle.
Thanks.
And if you all like this video, give us a thumbs up and follow us on all of our social media platforms. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications. And we'll see you back here next week.